what do you think companies, there's some top 3 things a company can do to ensure that the culture of the company thrives even during this permanent work from home?
Your questions, I don't think there's a need to change the culture, but I like the point that Joy suggested, that it is a change in the mindset. So I don't think there's a need to change the culture, but it's change in the mindset. Few things that we could consider is empowering our leaders and managers to lead remotely while caring of our employees. That's extremely important. Second is caring for our employees and communities, because in our company we have virtual volunteering, we have volunteering activities that we do. We have increased the employee life insurance cover. We pay 5 times the overall salary of an individual if something happens. We give 28 days of leave for COVID-19 positive paid leave. We cover medical insurance up to 15 lakhs for employee and 5 dependents. So you need to be more employee centric and provide them that comfort and a situation where they can deal with all these aspects, because these are all very unique at this point of time. Employee wellness, mental well-being, doctor on call, all those stuff we are introduced. And finally, creating a space for value creation. That's important. Helping them to be innovative, process re-engineering, providing them that options to look at things in a different outlook altogether. So those are the things that I can think of at a high level.
I'm just going to call out a few things you were saying, and the reason I am is because I think I completely agree with you. It's all about caring. I think it's difficult. The times are difficult. There are a lot of people out there with a lot of uncertainty. The caring and empathy really, I think, can really help us get through this. So I'm going to ask the same question to you as well. What do you think a company can do to kind of maintain this culture?
Not having people physically together definitely is impacting our ability to make sure that everybody has the same experience of the company, which is really what our culture is. I think the foundation of that is around trust. First thing you need to tell your people is that I trust you, and that trust in a remote scenario will take some time to get built. Some of our companies in the ITES sector, we have a head start in that we have operated in a global cultural environment. So we are used to, picking up cues from what leaders say, how often they come out and talk about stuff, how much they share of what's happening with them. And, so we pick up those cues and then the culture kind of gets permeated. But still, for the very junior folks who have now started working from home, through monitoring systems, through technology or other stuff, we have to get to a place where we start thinking about trust. And the second thing that you have to communicate is agility. And I would just anchor on what Sriram was saying, that any company which will respond with agility, you don't just ask your employee to be agile and say, come to work today and don't come to work tomorrow, go work from home and be open to, now your job has changed, now it's gone away, now I'm putting you in sabbatical, now I'm bringing you back. But also, what am I giving as an employer which garners your productivity? So our benefits are looking different, like he also said, right? So we are giving now broadband reimbursement, which was not a policy earlier for a certain level and below, right? So then when the company and the people reciprocate trust and agility, I think that's how culture gets taken care of. Once lockdown is over, I am sure we will all have to look at ways of getting people together into huddles, even if we don't completely come back to work. But you have to meet them at least once a quarter and share and be there. And this goes back to your earlier question of, I don't just go to work so that I can do something and get money. It is also a social interaction. Lots of my friends come from my work circle. So that feeling of interaction, etc., all that feeds into your culture. So we'll have to work harder and figure this